What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 3.1 codenamed Janus build 26 in VirtualBox. For this tutorial, you will install MS-DOS first. After that, you may be able to install Windows 3.1 in VirtualBox. If you try to do it in VMware, or no, not VMware, Virtual PC, it won't work. I have done that before and it didn't even work. It couldn't even install right. So let's get started. So you're gonna need VirtualBox, WinRAR, and you're also gonna need a direct link to WinRAR PC to get the build. It's build 26. So let's do it. So we're gonna click on new. Oh, you're also gonna need a video tutorial on how to install MS-DOS 6.22. So be careful about that. So make sure you type in Windows or whatever you want to type in 3.1 build 26. Then hit next, next, create, next, create. Now click on new. Nope. Settings. Storage. Just get rid of your optical drive. You can do that if you want. You don't have to do it, but I would recommend you do that because you don't need a optical drive. Just click on the empty floppy disk. Just click this icon right here, and you're gonna look for Windows 3.1 build 26. But before you do that, you need to install MS-DOS 6.22 first. So click OK and then hit start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and pause the video. I showed you guys the tutorial on how to install MS-DOS 6.22. So I'll be back. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go ahead and insert your not your MS-DOS disk. We're done with it. You're going to insert your Windows 3.1 build 26 image files, disk number 1, then type in A:, then type in setup, then hit enter, 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 and now you're gonna need disk number 2, then hit enter. Now if this comes up, just hit continue. I'm gonna not set up printers. I'm not gonna read online documents, and I'm not going to set up true type fonts. You can leave that if you want, but that's how I'm gonna do that. Then click on continue, and now you're gonna need disk number 3. You have to repeat this at every time. Make sure it's set to make all modifications for you, and then click on continue. And if this comes up, just hit OK. Then click on OK. Then we're going to add all these apps from the hard drive to Windows 3.1. Then click on OK. And now before you do that, you need to hit right control, and you're going to go ahead and eject your disk. Then click on reboot. Oh wait, it doesn't work, so click on restart Windows. And there you go, you have successfully installed Windows 3.1 build 26. If I click on help and then hit about, it's gonna say Windows Program Manager 3.1 build 26. So that's how to install Windows 3.1 build 26 in VirtualBox. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button And also hit the bell icon when I upload new videos or make a live stream. Also follow me on Twitter at RibbonOfAdicio17 or Instagram at RibbonTheTransitFan. So that's how to install Windows 3.1, Build 26, and VirtualBox. So, I'll see you next time.